Brian Hicks claims a crypto stock has the chance to gain over 6,800%, but won't reveal the stock unless you buy his newsletter. However, he left enough clues in the presentation to figure out the stock, and I reveal it here for free. Just drop a like and subscribe if you appreciate me doing this. Typically, I like to go over the stock picking history before I reveal the stock, but Hicks doesn't really have any recent stock picks to show. This seems like a new newsletter he's trying to sell, so we'll just jump right into breaking down the teaser. According to Hicks, you can buy a crypto-related stock that will turn $1,000 into nearly $70,000. Hicks clarifies he's not talking about buying Bitcoin or a Bitcoin ETF either. According to Brian, he has discovered a Bitcoin loophole that only costs $25 to get started. Also, according to Hicks, the SEC's recent approval of Bitcoin ETFs ensures this mysterious $25 stock will explode in value. So if Hicks isn't recommending Bitcoin, what is he recommending? He's recommending a Bitcoin mining company. If you're unfamiliar with how Bitcoin mining works, here's a brief explanation. A Bitcoin mining company operates by using specialized computers called miners to solve complex cryptographic puzzles. These puzzles secure the Bitcoin network and validate transactions. When a miner successfully solves a puzzle, the company is rewarded with newly created Bitcoin and transaction fees. The process is called mining because it resembles extracting valuable resources, like gold. Mining companies invest heavily in equipment, electricity, and cooling to run these computers efficiently. Their profitability depends on factors like Bitcoin's price, mining difficulty, and energy costs. Some mining companies also offer cloud mining services, allowing others to rent mining power. I do want to point out one thing before revealing the stock. Brian makes the claim Bitcoin is seen as a safe haven, but I completely disagree with this. Bitcoin almost always drops when there's fears of a recession or market turbulence. When there are real financial concerns, people rather own gold, cash, or put their money in recession-proof stocks. So I would never buy Bitcoin or anything related to Bitcoin as a safe haven. I'm going to reveal Brian's Bitcoin mining stock in about 20 seconds, but before I do that, I want to remind you to click the link in the description to check out AlphaPicks. I reviewed over 100 stock picking services, and AlphaPicks performs the best and actually beats the market easily. If you click the link in the description, you get $50 off AlphaPicks. So go ahead and click that link and take advantage of this amazing deal. The stock Brian Hicks is pitching in this teaser is Marathon Digital Holdings, and the ticker is MARA. Marathon Digital Holdings is a leading cryptocurrency mining company focused on mining Bitcoin. They operate large-scale data centers that use specialized hardware to verify Bitcoin transactions and earn newly created Bitcoin as rewards. Marathon Digital Holdings is an insanely volatile stock that's been as high as $150 and as low as $1. It currently trades at $16, which means it's down significantly since Hicks started running this teaser. If you believe in Bitcoin, I would just buy Bitcoin. Marathon Digital is down 85% in the last 10 years, and in the same time period, Bitcoin is up over 13,000%. Let's dive deeper into the stock now. Marathon Digital is heavily tied to the price of Bitcoin, and while the cryptocurrency has surged in 2024, this level of exposure brings extreme risk. Bitcoin prices fluctuate wildly, which directly impacts Marathon's earnings. A downturn in Bitcoin could lead to steep losses for shareholders. Marathon stock is already down 30% year to date, showing the potential for future instability. This is especially concerning considering Bitcoin is up 40% year to date. Marathon's revenue dropped significantly from $165.2 million in Q1 2024 to $145.1 million in Q2, even as the company boosted its Bitcoin mining capacity. Their hash rate increased, but operational costs also soared. With the upcoming Bitcoin halving event in 2024, mining profitability may fall further, increasing the company's financial burden. In August 2024, Marathon raised $250 million through convertible debt, which adds significant risk to shareholders. These funds were primarily used to purchase more Bitcoin rather than improve operational efficiency. With a large debt load and the potential for share dilution, investors face heightened risk in a volatile market. Marathon is highly leveraged on the future success of Bitcoin. While this may pay off during bullish periods for the cryptocurrency, it makes the company overly exposed to regulatory risks, market crashes, and technological challenges. Investors looking for stability may want to avoid this level of concentration on one asset class. Given Marathon Digital's exposure to Bitcoin volatility, rising operational costs, and high levels of debt, the stock is a don't buy in 2024. The risks far outweigh the potential reward, especially for investors seeking consistent returns. According to Seeking Alpha's Quants, which is by far my favorite stock research tool, and if you click the link in the description, you can try it free for 7 days, a better crypto-related stock is Interactive Brokers Group, and the ticker is IBKR. Interactive Brokers Group is involved in cryptocurrency through its platform, which allows clients to trade and hold various cryptocurrencies. The company expanded its services to include cryptocurrencies due to growing demand from its client base, particularly retail investors and institutional clients interested in diversifying their portfolios. Interactive Brokers Group offers a more diversified and stable approach for investors seeking exposure to crypto compared to Marathon Digital. IBKR allows access to cryptocurrency through its brokerage platform, alongside traditional asset classes like stocks, bonds, and futures. This diversification reduces the volatility risks that come with pure crypto plays like Marathon. Additionally, IBKR's established global presence, strong financials, and lower exposure to Bitcoin's price fluctuations make it a safer option for long-term investors looking for crypto exposure. According to the quants at Seeking Alpha, this stock became a buy in early August when the price was $115. The stock is up to $135 in about a month and a half since getting a strong buy rating, and that means it's up 17% already. This is why I love Seeking Alpha so much. Their strong buy ratings typically beat the market. And if you really want to make money with the stock market, make sure to click the link in the description to check out Alpha Picks from Seeking Alpha. I've reviewed hundreds of stock picking services, and this one performs the best. Since its inception 2 years ago, it's absolutely been crushing the market and has tripled the returns of the market in that time period. And if you click the link in the description, you get $50 off this service. So make sure to click that link now and start investing the smart way.